Hi guys, Amit here. Super excited to present you the Gantt chart. Gantt chart is the most widely used project management tool, and here I am presenting you the ultimate or most dynamic in nature. I have few stages. I have the task within the stage and the milestone which need to be covered. I have team member. Everything is so dynamic in nature. You change one and it will keep moving. You make it 10, your project date, your project size, everything will keep moving. I have this setting somewhere here where I can add the rules, I can add my team member, and it will automatically flow into my Gantt chart where I can assign any role to that person. Say I entered the recently added this guy. So the role has been given here. I I have my role dependency, the project dependency here. If I move some, say I want to make it finish to finish, which is depending on the four. So it will both the tasks need to be finished on the same time, but I need to make it say start to start. So it will align to the start to start. Let's take it to finish to start. So once it finishes, the other stage will start. Say my project is incomplete, I'll have the flag will go. Once my project is over, my flag will come, implying it's the project that this particular stage is over. Apart from this, say we have revisions within our task, we can change. Say I have this base and my project has shifted somewhere, say 15. So the project will move, but at the same time you can see how it vary from my base plan. So you will have a clear picture, like the overlapping area is where the plan should have been started, but it's delayed by 2 or 3 days, so I can move back. Not only this, I have mis progress charts which I can either hide or I can show. The project will move according to my, you can see here, if I make it 75, the project will move, make it 60. Flag doesn't come because my project is still at 75 stage. So if I make it all 100 and I have the flag here, that means this stage is also complete. Not only this, I can highlight any date. Say if you want to check on 15th November, where will I be lying? Oh, sorry, this is 15th. Make it say 22nd. See my column gets highlighted, how far I have progressed in terms of my status. So let's hide this. And these all stages are dynamic in nature. So if my second stage is depending on one, it will start from one. So if even my stage three is depending on one, so it will take the role accordingly. So it will start from here. So dependency is very much given here, and these alert symbols are given. If there's any error or there's some issue to highlight, you can update those here. So it will get highlighted, so the one can see where what's the issue is. So far, I have taken only the rollout plans or maybe the project plan, not the budget and the cost, which I will be taking in the next video. But I'm super excited to see this amazing tool, which is not built on any macro, neither on Power Query, neither on Power Pivot, anything. It's pure, simple, and so dynamic. You won't believe. Thank you for watching.